Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable toggle keys on Windows 11. So if you need to turn on or if you need to enable it, you can click on Windows icon and click on settings. You can go to the accessibility, scroll down and find the keyboard. Here on the keyboard option there are some options that you can try. This is sticky filter and toggle keys. You can turn on if you feel you need play a sound when you press caps lock, num lock or scroll lock. By default the toggle keys is off, but maybe you need notification or something to alert you. You can turn this on. Usually you accidentally press a caps lock and you need to remind about that. Just turn on these toggle keys. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.